Greetings, sisters. How y'all doing? It's been 3 whole weeks since I posted the last video. So this is week 17, 18, 19. So you all know this was the whole holiday season. So that's over. So I can stop eating because girlfriend ate what I wanted to eat, but I still kept it as carb free as I could get it, you guys. I did like for Christmas I did a seafood boil that was so good. The only baking I did, and I'm so proud of myself, I made a red velvet cake and I made some sugar cookies, which I gave away to some of my little play nieces and nephews. And I made what a chocolate chip. Baby, that's where I messed up with, because what I did is I made an individual little cookie balls and put them in the freezer. So I would only eat a few. I would cook a few at a time. So that's what helped me, and they lasted a while because I sure was baking them. But that is an excellent way to get what you want, eat a little of what you want, but not go overboard. You know, if you go ahead and bake all, a couple of dozen, what'll happen. So what I did is I put the balls, put them in the freezer in the like I said, in the freezer. And see, I'm getting so happy about cookies, but no, and I was really able to control the portion. So I would just make 3 cookies. Okay, so I did some damage. That's okay, because I'm getting right back on the saddle. That has always been my problem. I would get to a certain point and just say forget it, and undo all the good work I had done. So this time, no way. I'm doing really well. I still can feel seems like fat moving around to different places. It's like my stomach dropped, but I'm gonna keep going. And I did get that waist trimmer or whatever. Now I'm gonna use it more so for shapewear underclothes. So I want to get this waist snatched. So that's basically what I'm working on. I have a waist trainer like thing that doesn't train anything really. It's just to make you sweat. It's that Sweet Sweat brand. That's the cream you can put on your body to help you to sweat. And what I do, I just use coconut oil. I will lube all up with the coconut oil and put on that Sweet Sweat. It's like a rubbery, waist trainer, and that works. I mean, you will sweat, and it helps, because for so long I never would sweat. I don't care how hard I worked out, I would sweat a little bit on my nose and in my hair. Okay, but lately I noticed with me taking all my supplements and stuff, I actually will sweat. And sweat in my chest and sweat all over, actually. So I had been told that when you don't sweat when you're working out, your lymph nodes or your lymphatic system is clogged. So you should do things to really clean that out, which is primarily drinking enough water. That has always been my problem too. I never drank enough water, but I am pushing myself. I have a 32-ounce mason jar now. I'm drinking 3 to 4 of those a day. So it is helping me. So when I do start exercising or whatever and feeling my metabolism speeding up, I will sweat. You know what I mean? And I love it. So it's great to have that feeling finally where I can, sweat the way I should. So those are the few tips I can give you for this part of our journey. So now we're in the new year. I am getting ready to get back all the way on the salad. And I still, through all of this, I still pretty much ate within my my window. I'm still doing the 18-6 intermittent fasting. So since this is week 19, I got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that'll be 5 weeks. Girlfriend is gonna get on it because I want that scale. I want to be out of the 300. So that is the goal. And so I'm getting ready to start working hard because I'm getting there, and for once I'm really feeling like I'm really in control of how I'm eating and what's going on, and it feels good. And I hope it's working for you guys as well. I have been posting different motivational videos, exercise videos, all kind of videos to try to help you with getting your mental in order, getting your physical in order. And then I've done the beauty tips. I think I just finished one. I got a post on just making up with a more formal look. I'm going to do like a day look. I'm going to do a bunch more videos like that, as well as pick up with the self-esteem videos. I hope you guys have been following that series as well, and the exercises that come with that. So I think we are moving along. Our group is still growing, and I am so happy to be here sharing this journey with you, and I cannot wait for the next milestone. So anyway, let's keep it going, ladies. Keep looking in all the other segments of our group to find different information and motivation that can help you. And as I said before, always feel free to ask any questions, or if you need me to look up some different types of exercises. I am steadily adding exercises to our workout section as well. So I try to add 2 or 3 items per week. So always check back and see what's new in the group or new posts that I made. So take care, and let's keep getting snatched. Okay? Take care.